Hello technology lovers. If you're looking for up-to-date and engaging content on technology and the world of mini PCs, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing an exciting topic. But this is just the beginning. Our channel is filled with constantly updated content, and an exciting world awaits you. If you haven't subscribed yet, join us on this fun and informative journey. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can stay informed about our latest videos. Now, let's dive into this thrilling adventure together. Best Mini PC Overall. Apple Mac Mini M2 2023. Apple has delivered an impressive update to its popular Mac Mini, introducing the new M2 chip and offering a lower price compared to the M1 2020 model. For businesses aiming to maximize ROI, the Apple Mac Mini M2 is a compelling choice. With remarkable performance and a more affordable price point, it stands out as a formidable machine, claiming 1.9 times better CPU performance and 2.6 times faster GPU performance than the M1 model. The Mac Mini maintains its position at the forefront of our list for the best business computers, particularly as the best mini PC of the year. This is especially true when comparing it to pricier alternatives or less powerful options. While the idea of a Mac as the best mini PC might not immediately come to mind, the Mac Mini's versatility includes the ability to effortlessly install Windows. When considering the hardware specs, it becomes evident that the Mac Mini is a noteworthy contender. Best Mini PC on a budget. Beelink U59 Mini PC. The Beelink U59 is a compact PC designed in the NUC form factor, featuring the Intel Celeron processor N5105. Available with either 8GB or 16GB of RAM and accommodating up to a 512GB SATA SSD, it caters to various performance needs. Despite its modest specifications, the U59 excels in basic tasks, making it a suitable choice for small office environments or embedded applications. Customers opting for the 8GB variant can upgrade both the RAM and M2 SATA storage to 16GB. Additionally, it provides a bay for a 2.5-inch drive, expanding storage options further. What sets the Beelink U59 apart is its affordable price tag for both the 8GB and 16GB models, coupled with a clean Windows 11 installation free from unnecessary bloatware. The inclusion of dual HDMI outputs and dual gigabit LAN ports positions the U59 favorably for embedded use, making it ideal for product presentations or as a self-contained firewall. In summary, the Beelink U59 stands out as one of the better NUC-sized machines, offering impressive performance at a cost that suits even the tightest budgets. Best Mini PC for creators. Apple Mac Studio. For creative professionals, the Apple Mac Studio stands out as the ultimate mini PC, serving as an enhanced version of the Mac Mini. The Mac Studio boasts a sleek design crafted from a single aluminum extrusion, featuring a compact square footprint of 7.7 inches and a height of 3.7 inches. In our rigorous tests, the Mac Studio demonstrated exceptional performance. It effortlessly tackled tasks such as 8K video editing and handled advanced AI-powered photo editing tools in Adobe Photoshop with ease. Notably, we observed the Mac Studio loading a highly detailed 3D scene that surpassed the memory capacity of most discrete professional PC GPUs, all while operating near silently. The key takeaway is that finding another PC with this level of performance in such a compact chassis is a challenge. While its specialized focus on creative professionals may not cater to everyone, the Mac Studio offers an abundance of ports. If you're in search of a powerful and compact creative mini PC, the Apple Mac Studio has much to offer and love. Best Mini PC for performance. Beelink SER6 Pro 7735HS. For those in search of the fastest NUC, the newly released Intel NUC 13 Pro may seem like the obvious choice, but that assumption could be premature. Enter the Beelink SER6 Pro 7735HS, as the name suggests. It is powered by the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 mobile technology, and it has the potential to match or even outperform the latest Intel 13th Gen processors. At the heart of this compact powerhouse is the AMD Ryzen 7000 series processor, boasting 8 cores and capable of handling 16 threads, positioning it as one of the most potent small system platforms, coupled with 32GB of DDR5-4800, a Gen 4 NVMe drive, and a feature-rich chipset that includes Thunderbolt, a 2.5GB LAN port, and Intel Wi-Fi 6E AX2111. Users can anticipate an exceptionally positive computing experience. Best Intel Mini PC. Intel NUC 13 Pro. Introducing the latest and arguably the most impressive NUC yet, the Intel NUC 13 Pro. This powerhouse combines the finest silicon from the new 13th Gen mobile product lines, encased in the iconic Intel Nuke chassis. Equipped with up to 12 threads and 64 GB of RAM, the Nuke 13 Pro delivers substantial CPU performance, complemented by Gen 4 NVMe storage and integrated Thunderbolt 4 technology. Priced between approximately $320 for the Core i3 models and over $1,000 for the top-of-the-range Core i7 Pro processors. It offers a broad range of options for both performance and budget. It's worth noting that these machines are provided as barebones, requiring users to furnish RAM modules, NVMe storage, and other peripherals for full functionality. In our testing, the Nuke 13 Pro exhibited significantly improved multi-threaded task performance compared to its predecessors. And here we are at the end of our video. I hope this journey into the world of mini PCs has been enjoyable and informative for you. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you can stay updated on future technology updates. If you want more in-depth content about mini PCs, let us know in the comments. Also, feel free to share which mini PC model you think is the most suitable for you. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next one, take care and see you soon.